What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. The last time you guys saw the RCF, we kind of had a rat problem. I had rats that lived under the hood of the RCF. Rats plus cars, it's definitely not a good thing because mouse rats or whatever they are, they have a tendency of chewing through harnesses. Last video, if you guys remember, we did go over to Home Depot and we copped a spray, a mint spray, to make sure that those rats actually stay away from the car. And last time when we inspected under the hood, we found some plastic paper and we found a few things that shouldn't have been under the hood. Today, as you guys can see, I don't see anything. You guys are wondering what we are up to today. I'm not really too sure. I do plan on washing the car. I might go grab a haircut, but besides that, I'm not sure. It is about 60 degrees outside, so like it's a perfect day to take this car out and, I don't know, have some fun inside. We actually got to stop over by USPS because the car was hit. Yeah, you guys heard that right? The car was hit. Now, I'm not talking about this car, of course. I'm sorry if I had you guys at the edge of your seats, but I'm not talking about this car. I'm talking about my other car, the SUV. Also, it is daylight savings, so that means the sun goes down at like freaking 4 p.m. Bro, I got like 2 hours left of sunlight, but talking isn't gonna help. So the first thing we're gonna do is stop at a USPS post office. No cap, right? I came out and I had 2 stains of bird poop on the car. I'm going for like 2 seconds. 2 seconds, and I got 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, time to fill the RCF up. I'm just playing. Always 93, guys. Always 93. All right, guys, we got some gas. We're not a full tank, at a half tank, but now time to pull up to the car wash. Just made it to the car wash. We're about to get this thing washed real quick, but before that we got to turn these $10 into 10 tokens. So here we go. We're rich, man, rich, guys. We got gold. Where's the soap at? We are out of here and the sun is setting because it is daylight savings and it's like only 4 o'clock and it's already getting dark. Ooh, what is that? I think it's like an ant. All right, guys, we just pulled up to a gas station, and yo, I hit a mean ass bump on the highway. A bump on the highway. I'm surprised these coilovers are still here. Front whip is still intact. Yeah, but damn, yo, I hit a mean ass bump though. All right, guys, this is exactly 1 week later. I had to cut that vlog kind of short because it was getting dark, and yeah, and I needed to go home. Anyways, today we're just heading to the gym. This video might feel like it's everywhere because it is everywhere. I don't think it has a direction right now, but we are pulling up to the gym. If I remember in the past, someone said that it would be cool if I did more gym vlogs. So we're pulling up to the gym. I spent some time putting some air in these tires because, yo, you know, it's getting cold. As you guys can see, it's 46 degrees outside. That's wild. It's getting cold, and we got to make sure that these tire pressures stay up. But anyways, enough of me talking. Oh shoot, and I forgot to say, as you guys can see, your boy needs some gas, but I'm not going to get gas right now. I'm gonna get it at the gym, and the gym is like 20 minutes away. Sheesh, 37, 37, 37, 37. I should play the lottery right now. What do you guys think? Yeah? No? No? But anyways, guys, I did lie. We are actually stopping at the gas station. I'm doing it now so that I don't have to do it later. Also, this gas station around me is pretty cheap. I think it's the cheapest around. So, like, you know, if I could save, right, why would I not? You guys ready? No hand sanitizer, 1,000 pumps after doing gas. And now it's time to get to the gym fast. That is a rare occasion, guys. I got a spot right in front of the freaking gym. Sheesh. RCF is looking kind of clean. Oh, start. I think the car might pop, hopefully. Or hopefully not, I don't know. Okay, it's not bad, not bad, not bad. Sheesh. I stayed in there for a bit more time than expected. At least we got a workout in. Now what to do? All right, guys, so we pulled up to one of my favorite spots ever. This is like kind of up north. And I pretty much just recorded some TikToks because, yeah, why not? Man, yo, this thing looks super nice. What? Bro, this is a 2015? What? Man, I would have thought it was a 2030. Sheesh. Anyways, guys, it is getting super cold out. Man, yo, winter is coming really quickly. And yeah, I truly do hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I know this video felt like it was everywhere. It was. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, and you guys stay safe, stay warm. One more look of this car, because man, this thing looks crazy. It's not a bad looking car.